Hello, in today's video, I'm going to talk about variables in Python. Variables are memory cells used to store some value inside. It can be numeric, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. It can be also a string, where you can store some text, or even Boolean, which can store only true or false. These are called data types. You don't need to know them all if you're just starting to learn Python. To create a variable, we should come up with some name. It shouldn't start with the number or special character, and usually they're written lowercase. Let's call our variable x and give it a value of 5. X now is a numeric type, specifically an integer, because it stores a number. Let's print it out using the print function. Great, the code is finished, I'll launch it. Now the program shows the value of x. I can close this one now. Let's try other types. To use the string, you need to write it in the double or single quotes. I like to write it in double quotes because in C++ you have to write it this way. I'll launch the program. It shows our string. Now with the Boolean type, you have to write it with the first letter capitalized, like this. After launch, we can see that our program shows us our value. Let's now work with operators. Here they are. We can sum, subtract, multiply, and divide values. By the way, it is how you can comment your code, notes, or anything which you don't want to affect your program. Just put a hashtag before it. Let's declare our variable x with the value of 5 plus 5 and print it out. It will show 10. We can also output our x divided by 2. The result is 5. Pretty simple, right? Let's try also, for example, change our x before print statement and its declaration. Think a bit what program will output now. The answer is 13. In the third line, we need to just put values of variables. We will get 10, which is x calculated one line before, plus 3, which is y. I think I'll skip Boolean type. It is not that commonly used as other types, and there are almost no operations with it. Instead, I'm going to show you the string. Let's declare it here. If I start the program now, it will show hello world. We can add string to a string like this. And also multiply a string to a number. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it.